This is an adjustable ring or a magic circle, depending on who you're talking to. So now I'm going to undo it and show you how to do one for yourself. Now this is a left-handed video, so if you're right-handed it can be useful, but it's going to look a little funny. What we're going to do is I'm going to hold the tail of this yarn here. We've got two tails, one that connects to my ball of yarn and one that does not. One that does not, we're going to hold here, and we're going to wrap it so that there are two lines over top of my fingers. And then with those two lines, I'm going to reach my hook in, and I'm going to just pull the second line so that it comes forward. And then, continuing to hold the tail that connects to nothing, I'm going to use the tail that connects to my ball of yarn to pull up a loop. And that is our first working loop. And then we're going to go under both of these lines and pull up a loop. And then, just as you would make a normal single crochet, you're going to pull your yarn over and pull it through those two loops, and that becomes your very first single crochet. Next, we go back into this circle, and we're going to do this 7 more times to make a circle of 8. There. Now, that tail that we were holding on to before, it's not connected to our yarn. We pull it, and as you saw, just shrunk that right up, and now we have our magic circle. And this is the start for many, many projects, whether you're making a hat, a dragon, a doily, all sorts of things start with a magic circle. This adjustable ring is super helpful because it allows you to put in as many stitches as you need instead of chaining and then doing a million stitches into the same stitch, which we all know can get frustrating. Thank you for watching, my lovelies. This has been Kai the Bard. Happy crocheting!